Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika. Today I am here to do a very quick review and swatches on the new Bobbi Brown mini extra lip tint kit. You get 3 travel size lip balms in here. I'm gonna get right into it because I don't want to make this a super long video. This is part of the holiday collection that was released from Bobbi Brown, as most brands usually release their holiday collection this time of year. And the packaging is really pretty. This is the packaging. They're really nice, not too small. Perfect to pop into any purse, big or small, and take with you. And I wind it out, and this is all the product that you get in here. It's just this. That's it. Really nice and moisturizing. It doesn't give much of a color payoff, as this one is a really neutral shade. I'm gonna get into the other one, which is like an orange color. Same, very little bit of product you get in here. It almost looks like it's a sample size. Like, that's what it looks like to me. Really slight tint of orange you get in this one, but it's not much of a color payoff. It's really pretty though, and it's very moisturizing on the lips. It's not at all sticky. I barely feel like I'm wearing anything on the lips with this. And if you hear any snoring, my dog is snoring. And this one is like a gold tint. Hello? As you see, they all applied really lovely. They all swatch really great. If there's anything I didn't mention about this new lip balm kit from Bobbi Brown, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to respond. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.